We all know that AI is changing everything, from the way we search, to how we drive, to how businesses are run. But what we don't always realize is the hidden energy cost behind that change. Just one example, a ChatGPT query can use 10 times the energy of a Google search. Naturally, the conversation around sustainability in IT has focused on power usage. But here's where we are missing the bigger picture. The real carbon footprint of technology isn't just in how we use it, it's in how we build it. Take Apple. Only 18% of their carbon footprint comes from usage. 35% comes from semiconductors. That's manufacturing, wafer production, fabrication, and everything that goes into building the chips. And yet, the fabs that make these semiconductors, massive consumers of energy and chemicals, are rarely part of the sustainability discussion. That's a blind spot. And it's one that memory plays a major role in. This is where DRAM Plus and Cache Plus step in. They are not just faster or lower cost memories. They are sustainability engines built right into the architecture. By 2045, they are projected to cut 193 million metric tons of CO2 emissions, the equivalent of taking over 42 million cars off the road. They'll also save the industry nearly $1 trillion thanks to reduced energy usage and a simpler, more efficient architecture. How? They reduce wafer area per bit, meaning less material, less energy, and less emissions. And they reduce energy-intensive data transfers by simplifying the memory hierarchy itself. Best of all, they do this without trade-offs. You still get speed, persistence, and affordability. And in high-demand environments like AI, automotive, IoT, and data centers, this translates into 10x performance gains. Sustainability isn't just about turning off the lights. It's about rethinking the foundations, how we design, how we build, and how we scale. With DRAM Plus and Cache Plus, we're not just advancing memory, we're building a smarter, leaner, greener compute future.